This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF 354 VBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 39 feet 10 inches in length and features a chestnut interior, sleeps 8, external shower, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, LP detector, awning, oven, air conditioning, TV antenna, water heater, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF 354 VBH is 12,610 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.